Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Pixel 7 Pro for Visible by Verizon. So the Pixel 7 Pro is not here at Visible, it is up for pre-orders as I'm recording this video. So the new Pixels are here at Visible, so that is very nice. So if you guys are familiar with the Pixel 6 Pro, pretty much the same phone. So so this is the Pixel 7 Pro. It's available in 3 colors. Y'all guys have obsidian, snow, and hazel color options. So that's very nice. So y'all guys got the front there. Y'all guys got your hold points for your front-facing camera there, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. You also have an in-display fingerprint sensor, so that is very nice. Yeah, like I said, right side power button, volume keys. There's a closer look at it there. And keep in mind too is that the camera does stick out a little bit there on the back, so keep that in mind. Alright, speaking of the camera, there it is. Y'all guys have a triple camera system in the back here. I like the camera design. I was a big fan of the camera design last year on the Pixel 6 Pro, and this year it's no different. It pretty much looks the same. So it has like this two-tone color on the back here, which is very nice. Like I said, this is the obsidian color that we're looking at here right now. Very nice. It's very nice. It's like a dark grayish black color. And then you guys have the snow color, which is like a white color. Get it? Snow white. Get it? So yeah, it's like a white color there. And then you guys have a hazel color, which is like it's like a light silver grayish color in my personal opinion. So yeah, that's what the back of it looks like in the different colors. So yeah, y'all guys have 128 gigabytes of storage for $899.99 or 256 gigs $999. Alright, y'all guys can also finance the Pixels here. The Pixel 7 Pro is $37.46 a month for 24 months with the firm. That's the 128 gigabyte version. The 256 gigabyte version is $41.63 a month for 24 months with the firm. That's it. Y'all guys can pay monthly for it or pay full retail price for the Pixel. So your choice there. Yeah, I suggest you guys add insurance to your phone, because you'll be better off in the long run. You can also trade in your phone as well, so that's pretty cool. Features, it says introducing Pixel 7 Pro, Google's best of everything phone, powered by Google Tensor G2. It's fast and secure with an immersive display and amazing battery life. The best Pixel camera yet includes a telephoto lens and pro level features like macro focus, and with the certified Titan M2 security chip and a built-in VPN, Pixel helps protects your personal data. So that is very nice. Obviously, security features is security is a big thing, and you guys needed to appreciate that. So yes, of course, be sure to update your device to the latest software version. Check settings for available updates if any. That's pretty much self-explanatory right there. This is a 5G compatible device. Click here to learn more about Visible's plan for 5G. Now, if you guys have the Visible Plus plan, y'all guys can roam, so that's very nice. It says, good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan and your passport is up to date. Alright, very nice there. Specs, the Pixel 7 Pro has a 6.7 inch display, 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, Quad HD plus, That's 1440 by 3120 pixel resolution. It has a LTPO OLED display at 512 ppi. The Pixel 7 Pro weighs 7.5 ounces. Dimensions 6.4 inches height, 3 inches width, and 0.3 inches depth. It has a nano SIM card, or you do have support for eSIM as well. So that's very nice. You have Android 13, obviously. 50 megapixel Aqua PD quad Bayer wide camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with auto focus. You should have 3 cameras on the back there. So yeah, 10.8 megapixel front facing camera with 92.8 degrees of ultra wide field of view there. Processor Google Tensor G2, Titan M2 security co-processor, 128 or 256 gigabytes of UFS 3.1 storage. Battery beyond 24 hours battery life, up to 72 hours of battery life with extended battery saver, 5000 mAh battery. You have an in-display fingerprint sensor, 5G sub-6 roaming, yes, if you're on the Visible Plus plan. What's included in the box is a 1 meter USB-C to USB-C cable, quick start guide, quick switch adapter, and your SIM tool. So that's very nice. So if you guys want to learn more about the Pixel 7 Pro, I will have that link as well, so check that out. Yeah, there you guys have it. The Pixel 7 Pro is now here at Visible by Verizon. It's available now. So if you guys want like the best Pixel phone of 2022, here you guys go. I would suggest the Pixel 7 Pro because it has a big screen on it. It's a very nice looking phone. It looks like the Pixel 6 Pro from last year, which I was a big fan of the Pixel 6 Pro last year. I was a fan of that last year, and I am a fan of the Pixel devices. Yeah, very nice looking phone. If you guys want a all Google experience, the Pixel 7 Pro is the phone for you guys to check out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.